How you doing, brothers and sisters? Okay, I can't switch the camera back and forth because I'm not using TikTok to make these videos right now, but that's where I'm at. I ain't got good service. But anyway, the video today is about Ephesians chapter 1, verse 17. I'm going to show y'all something that it actually, if you go to the, you can also go to the Greek. It's about the same, but it's I think it's sometimes stronger sometimes when you look at it in the Greek instead of the English. But before I read this verse, I want y'all to understand and to know that if you read John 20:28, Thomas said, "My Lord, Kyrios, and my God, Theos." Okay, so Jesus is identified as the Lord and God. We don't have two lords. We don't have two gods. We have one God who is spirit, and he became a human being. Okay, so when I read this, don't think of distinctions of two persons. Okay, because there's only one God. Okay, and then it's the same being. And there's no Trinity in this verse. Okay, verse 17 says this in Ephesians chapter 1, and this is beautiful. And when I read this, if you understand, you'll understand right off the bat who this is talking about and what his title is. Because remember Isaiah 9:6, he's the everlasting Father, but in the Hebrew he says eternal Father. That the God, that's Theos, of our Lord Jesus Christ. It says comma, but Jesus Christ, there's nobody over Jesus Christ. Okay? He is that Theos. Okay? But we know the Spirit is God. But that's Jesus. Okay? And I'm going to restart this. That the God of our Lord Jesus Christ, comma, the Father of glory, may give unto you the spirit of wisdom. Well, John 14:29 says that he will manifest himself to us. The Spirit is power. But who is the Father of glory? It ain't switching modes here and saying the God, like a different person, and then our Lord Jesus, and then back to that God again. It's not a different person. It says that the God, the Theos, of our Lord Kyrios, Jesus Christ, the Father of glory. There's only one glory, Isaiah 42:8. He won't give his glory to another. So, when you read this verse, you see that the Spirit himself, the one true God, Jesus, it's only him, our Father. Okay? He is the Father over his own fleshly body that he manifested in. Okay? But notice that the titles, if you go from John 20:28, he's Lord and he's God. He's Kyrios, he's Theos. So it's him.